Founded in 2011, Shenzhen Dapeng Laser Technology Company Limited is a national high-tech enterprise which focuses on developing, manufacturing, and servicing for laser equipment. Main products include laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser marking machine, laser cleaning machine, industry customized and automated laser machine. Dapeng Laser is ISO 9001-2015 Quality Management System Certificated Company. Main products approved SGS FDA CE certification and has a complete production, sales, and after-sales service system. Dapeng has 456 employees, main engineers with a decade of laser industry experience, headquarters in Shenzhen, and has factory in Dongguan, Wenzhou, and Kunshan. Factory area over 30,000 square meters. Own 23 subsidiaries in major industrial cities. Provide customers with excellent quality, stable, and reliable products and high-quality pre-sale, in-sale, and after-sales service. Dapeng Laser has won the trust and praise of customers by implementing the business philosophy of helping customers succeed, creating value, and building a higher brand. In 2021, more than 6,000 laser equipment been sold. Turnover reached $100 million. Dapeng people know that quality and service are the foundation of the company's survival, and innovation is the foundation of the company's long-term development, committing to build the preferred brand in the laser equipment industry. Our vision: make a laser equipment brand that customers trusted. Become a platform for employees who persevere to achieve success.